French rolls.
Oh. We've put the hot dog water through this Brita filter.
Oh, really?
Hot jars.
Oh,
The chocolate son. Woo. You mixing that up crazy there.
Sam, calm down, dude.
That's premium hot jar now.
Is it good?
That's premium.
He minced the garlic. Ooh. You don't want that. Hey, could someone get this garlic off of this knife? You can use your finger.
Oh yeah, you just wipe it there.
But
yeah,
be careful.
Yeah.
Chop them thin enough so that you can fit them inside of a bun, also with a weenie in it.
I think you're just excited. I don't know how to slice a cucumber.
You're doing great, man. You're great, man. You're great.
Very much.
We've preheated the oven at 375. That is bacon grease and garlic. And we've added the last and the first of the onions. It's just a simple cup that you would get at like a Walgreens or something. People associate this with partying, but I don't really like partying. He ran on your shirt. He wasn't even there. They blue screened him.
This guy?
Yeah.
You talking about this guy?
And McMahon were
21 doing this.
We are the best shuffling crew.
Shoving on down.
He's mad. He's bad. He's bad. Max and Madison.
That means automatically I'm a chill bro, so like, you know, that's the vibe I carry into life, and like at work, they're cool with it. A little town that starts with a C, ends with O, and there's a hick hog in between.
Evanston.
We're not gonna put no motherfucking ketchup on those goddamn hot dogs.
That's the forever seasoning. That's pretty good stuff there.
You know, I haven't tried it yet, but you know when I
Go to foreverseasoning.com, swipe up now.
Grease. We got this char action. That's some beer steaming up. Oh, that's in there. Crispy. Ooh.
Take it easy, kids. They look pretty darn good already.
Some dags, some good old oh, nice hats.
I'm like, one
he's
thing I
got
really
it.
want to do is eat a Chicago bag with you.
Oh,
yeah.
all right. You'll see I'm finishing up here. Making sure I get everything across.
Do the thing where you break Bobby's
Yeah, don't
elbow.
break my
Break his
elbow.
elbow.
Break his f***ing elbow.
Alright, ready? Here we go.
Yeah,
3, 2, 1.
Ah!
Ooh.
Alright, here we go. We're gonna bring
Put it back.
3, 2, 1.
Hey, I feel good.
What's that homegrown bag? Hit it once, feel like motherfucking Southside. Go on the Southside when you hit it once.
Bittersweet cigarette stains on the back of your dress. They keep